Home to a multitude of people from different races, religions, ethnicities, and beliefs, Southeast Asia's diversity offers both complex challenges and unique opportunities. Amidst a rapidly evolving and interconnected world with increasing mobility, education, and wealth, ideas that challenge tradition have changed the way people interact. This has brought new societal and socio-economic challenges to Southeast Asia and is often reflected in how societies cohere. The inaugural International Conference on Cohesive Societies, ICCS, hosted in Singapore in June 2019, brought together over 1,000 delegates from diverse faiths and perspectives.
The International Conference on Cohesive Society was initiated by President Halimah Yacob, President of the Republic of Singapore, and we had the first conference in June 2019. The idea was to forge greater interfaith understanding and to develop new ideas to enhance what we already been doing in our country.
Arising from ICCS 2019 was the recognition of a tangible gap within social cohesion discourse in Southeast Asia, given the lack of data-driven research on faith, identity, and cohesion. The Southeast Asian Social Cohesion Radar presents a snapshot to better understand the building blocks of social cohesion within Southeast Asia. Adapting the established Bertelsmann Stiftung methodological framework, this study presents unique insights gleaned from 1,000 regional thought leaders who provide much-needed perspectives on issues and localized experiences within the region.
Social cohesion is essentially the way that people within a community, within a society, relate to each other. So coexistence might be a term that we would use to describe it. This study is perhaps the first study to focus on social cohesion in Southeast Asia itself, and also is like attempting to sort of look at what might be distinctive about what happens in a Southeast Asian context. Many studies take primarily sort of Western metrics or metrics sort of created in the West and try and stick them in elsewhere, understanding, if you like, sort of what is distinctive, what factors, if you like, a particular society sort of values, and how the sort of, if you like, the social interactions work within those societies is important.
Conducted in multiple regional vernaculars, this study explores the impact of race, ethnicity, religion, and language in social cohesion in the region. The Bertelsmann Stiftung methodological framework identifies 3 domains that contribute to social cohesion: social relations, connectedness, and focus on the common good. These domains are each further organized into 9 dimensions. They are social networks, trust in people, acceptance of diversity, identification, trust in institutions, perception of fairness, solidarity and helpfulness, respect for social rules, and civic participation.
Past research has mostly been based on secondary data or country-specific data. We seek to collate data from all ASEAN member states. Data was aggregated around the themes of faith, identity, and social cohesion. We hope that this study will provide much-needed direction for a longitudinal research study on cohesion in Southeast Asia.
The findings from this inaugural study can be leveraged to contribute to national level and Southeast Asia regional level strategies to enhance social cohesion.
So we hope that our contribution, RSIS contribution to this ICCS 2022 will be this rich information obtained from our research, which primarily involve looking at the outcome of a survey that we have undertaken across all the 10 countries. It's only a first start.